Some viewers have been asking how do you crop images in Affinity Publisher. If you just drag in the image from your folder, means you don't understand how the images are managed in Publisher, because you should actually start by setting up what we call an image frame. Take a look here on the left side of the screen. We got frames for pictures, picture frame. When you draw the frame first, like that, and then you load the image inside that frame. That's how you do it in publication software, the one that got multiple pages. Okay, so now we are here, we can click replace image, and this way we load the image inside that frame, and we can move it in that frame. We can scale it up and down. We can add rotation inside the frame without affecting the frame itself. All right, so that's how you correctly crop the image. And take a look, if I change the shape of the frame, change the crop, I do not affect the image inside. So this is called picture frame. It can be not only rectangular one, there's one in the oval shape as well. So you draw it first, click replace image here at the top left, select the image from your hard drive, and you are ready to go. You can also draw this with a pen tool if you want some custom shape. Take a look, very organic custom shape. There's a shape at first, but I can right click on it and convert this here, convert to picture frame. We got this X allowing us to replace the image, and here it is. All of the properties are here. All right, so that's the first misconception. Instead of trying to crop the image, just make a proper image frame first. But what if you already got those images and you don't want to delete them? All right, let's try to draw a shape now. Let's say this rounded corners rectangle. All right, so I'll draw the shape, position the shape exactly where you want the image to end. And then in the layer panel, this time here on the right side, take a look, I'm going to drag this image on that layer with the shape, on it directly. And here it is. We crop the image with shape. All right, so that's alternative. All right, so I'm suggesting setting up a proper image frames, but if you really want to crop the image quickly, use another shape to do that. There are so many shapes to choose from. Alright, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next tutorial.